Where are we?
Siamo a Colegnago.
Okay, Colegnago. I can't say it. Ancora.
Siamo a Colegnago. Colegnago.
Colegnago. Very hard for me to say. Molto difficile. Very cute borgo. Has a really adorable church. Really a charming village. It really is fantastic. Incredible views. I love this village. Full disclosure. So yesterday we actually came and we looked at another house. And we were casually walking by. And I said to Federico, this is a very beautiful house. And I said, you know, I would love to look at more houses like this. We have to see this house.
Giardino.
Oh, I mean, what the heck? Show me this house.
Lo so.
Quanto costa questo?
Questo viene 420.
Yeah, let's see it. So you have to be your own advocate. Buying property in Italy is a treasure hunt. It is not for the weak of heart. You have to be a pit bull and you have to ask about every single house as you walk along with them. Is I like this house, is this for sale? The answer 50% of the time will be yes, it's for sale. So I yelled at him, I texted him last night, Steven texted him, so here we go.
Come on.
Come on, come on, wow, come on. We're gonna have t-shirts up on the site in spring that say, come on and wow.
Wow. Come on.
Correct. Come on, wow. This is what sold me. This has got a parking garage. Do you know how rare it is to find a parking garage in an ancient medieval village? It's like the Holy Grail.
Incredibile.
Yeah, that's great. All right, let's go up to the house. Okay, let's go in.
Okay. Parquet.
Parquet floors, very nice. He's running around turning lights on because he has to have lights. Let's go, Federico.
Wow.
This is very pretty. I mean, you're right in the garden. This is beautiful. You don't even know you're in a borgo. Wow, this is great. Amazing. So there's these two open doors that lead out to the garden. Amazing. This is beautiful, isn't it? This is really nice. This is fantastic. Federico, what did you want to show me here?
Bedroom. Cioè bathroom.
A bathroom. Okay, so this is one of the bathrooms.
Yes.
It's very nice, I will say.
Rose.
It's a little rose garden here. It's quite cute. This is really cool. It's a great lock and leave, I will say. It's like a really relaxing, beautiful house, but it's in the middle of a borgo with an incredible garden. This is a find, very well priced, and it's beautiful, it's manicured, it's well taken care of, which I always look for. It's quite nice. It's very homey, but chic. I mean, this is a very chic house. I mean, you can always tell when it's someone from Milan because it's always very chic. This is sort of a elevated living standard. They would never finish it off like super crunchy. They would never have exposed stone and it just wouldn't be a thing, yeah. Here's the kitchen. So a lot of Italians like to have the kitchen closed off, a door. This is very cute kitchen. It's adorable. It also goes out into the garden, which is fantastic. So I love this style. This is very my style. It's a very sort of elegant, pared down Italian style. I love it. I have nothing more to say about it other than these people have great taste. You know, it's fantastic. Very lovely Italian. Beautiful. This is a beautiful house. Great bedroom, nice size, nice and light. It's lovely. Very cool. Love it. A lot of boots, a lot of rain boots. Okay, come on.
Giunse al fin il momento che godrò senza affanno in braccio l'idol mio. Timide cuore uscite dal mio petto a turbare
kind of made a face when he said 2 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, but the layout is quite good. So it's smart the way they did the layout because they've got all the bedrooms together and a bathroom. This is pretty typical Italian. Room, 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 bathroom.
2 bagni qua.
Yeah.
Tu
Due?
2.
No.
Sì.
Why? Dove?
Buono.
Oh, there's 2 bathrooms. This is great. This is a great layout. But wait a minute. You said 2 bathrooms,
Yes.
4 bedrooms.
Yes. Ma mia memoria non è tanto buona.
Oh, it's 3 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms.
3 bedroom. 3 bathroom.
Okay, so there's a bedroom.
Yes. 4.
And then there's another bedroom.
Yes.
And then there's another bedroom.
Yes.
And there's another bedroom.
Yes.
And there's another bedroom.
5.
5 bedrooms. He doesn't know where he is. 3 bathrooms.
Yes.
5 bedrooms,
Yes.
3 bathrooms.
Yes.
Is that correct,
Yes,
sir?
yes.
Okay. Bathroom, 2 bedrooms, bedroom, bathroom, bedroom. You following the floor plan? No. Oh, this is cute. This is like a little, I normally don't like a closet-sized bedroom, but this is pretty cute. I mean, this is a cute kid's bedroom for sure. I mean, I'd put my kids in here. But I mean, you can tell it's very chic. I love this bed. I actually love this bed. And then amazing view. This is very cute, this Borgo. I love it. And very nice bathroom. Nothing to say here. Great bathroom. Other great bathroom. It's a very cute house. It's fantastic, actually. Okay, and then another bedroom. Fab. Okay, another bedroom. Very cute. This house keeps catching my eye, this brick house.
That's a Depandance.
No, it's not. Is this part of the house?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Well, it's my house.
1 bedroom, 1 bathroom.
No. Really?
Yeah.
For 420?
Garden and pool.
I mean, honest to God, I mean, this is incredible. Bless you. Where the hell is Federico? Federico!
Yes.
We're doing a video right now. We're not cleaning the house.
Ok.
I have a question. Una domanda.
Ok.
Questo.
Dependance.
So questo,
Questa è proprietà. Credibile.
questo.
Yes.
Are you kidding me?
Credibile.
It's a beautiful house. I mean, in that Dependances, I would move in there. Let's go look at the Dependance. I'm dying. That's my house. I'm gonna live there. So go, you have to tell me how to get
Andiamo.
there. I mean,
Go.
it's like this being polite thing. I just have to, I don't know where I'm going. You're leading me. You're my fearless leader, Federico. Dependance in Italy means guest house. So this is an outbuilding, obviously. Uh-oh.
Ma
Uh-oh. Claire? Hop up.
No.
Yeah. This is great. You could rent this to somebody as a house, right? What are you looking for?
ho guardato 1 bedroom e 1 bathroom.
Yeah, perfect. I'm not going up the spiral
Thanks.
staircase. I'll see it on film.
Okay.
Well, you're young bucks. I mean, although Claire did not do well on that service. Check out that episode. Love
Okay.
it. Love, love, love. This is where I'm living, in this room. This is fantastic. And it's a really pretty pellet heater. What color is it?
Giallo.
Giallo. Okay, our favorite word.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Other than they just need to keep their shutters shut all the time.
Very Italian. So this is very Italian. They basically bought these people's backyard to put their pool in. It is beautiful, but I
need a
mean, if
bigger
you don't,
hedge.
I mean, obviously these are very nice people, and
Privacy. no problem.
Oh, you could, I guess you could, you know, no, you could do cypress trees all the
Yeah.
way down. Just, I would plant cypress trees.
Yeah.
Then that's it.
And your height's taken care of.
Yeah, it's fine.
Well, what about their view?
Who gives a shit about them? They sold their yard. This isn't their yard. I don't know that I would be that big of an asshole to do cypresses there. But what I might do is just take it up a bit. You know, I mean, the truth is, do we really care? I mean, e loro usare questa
No, no.
piscina?
Tutto privato.
Wow, I mean, the boundaries here are crazy. You know, it's like you bought my piece of property, I'm not gonna use your pool, have at it, have fun. What do you think, Kim?
I think it's pretty spectacular. I love the number of bedrooms. I would break through the master. Love the little dependance. I love the little secret garden moments when you walk in between all these shrubs. Don't know if I like to have this close to the pool, but the view's extraordinary.
You could get over it.
I could get over it.
I could have a drink and be over it in a minute. Yeah,
Absolutely.
Exactly. All right, well, we don't know where Federico is. He's taking selfies. You know, if you've gotten this far, please don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
Thank you, Kimmy. And we'll see you at the next location. Bye.
Ciao.